A Kaduna-based non-governmental organization, Nigerian Women Progressive Alliance, NIWOPA, has honored the president of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, Professor Dr. Muhammad Israr, with an award of excellence. The organization has also presented a medal to Professor Israr in recognition of his contribution towards the development of education in Nigeria. While regarding the citation before presenting the award on Thursday, the 3rd of November 2022, the chairlady of NIWOPA, Hajia Fatima Ibrahim, said the recipient of the award deserved the honor in view of the fact that he has a responsible personality and he is a role model who has done so much to the success and betterment of students in the university. She said NIPOA, whose aim is to promote rule of law, social justice and equity in the country, also found the recipient worthy of the award because of his outstanding personality and professionalism in knowledge. According to her, the association is one of the largest youth organizations in the country aimed at inculcating the spirit of self-reliance through entrepreneurship, vocational training, and promoting peace and capacity building among women in the country. Earlier in his welcome address, the Vice President Administration, Dr. Habib Awais Abubakar, thanked the group for finding the president of the university worthy of the award. He said the university would look forward to seeing how the organization can impact on the lives of Nigerians, looking at its aims and objectives. In his acceptance speech, President of MAAUN, Professor Israr, expressed his appreciation for the honors shown to him and the university. He said that women are increasingly becoming independent by relying less on men, as evidenced in the population of women in schools and places of work, where the population of women outnumbers that of men. Taking MAAUN as a case study, the population of women staff is 50%, while those of the students is 80%, Professor Israr added. In her remarks, the Secretary Director, Founder's Office, Hajia Maimuna Bello, urged the association to continue to engage in activities that will promote and uplift the socio-economic status of women as well as the well-being of children in the society.